right, so today we're going to start with constructions. The thing in constructions is my first example. I want you guys to construct a triangle with those three sides. So for my compass, I'm going to represent my compass like this. I can open and close my compass. Your compass has two sides. One side that has no pencil, which is the what I'm representing with the little dot on my compass. And then the side of the circle, I'm going to represent it with, the side that you have with a pen. So for the triangle, to begin with, the first point is just draw a point anywhere you want. I'm going to draw my red point you see at the bottom left. I'm going to measure the big side, which in this case is side 2. I'm going to place my compass like this. So the point with no pencil you see at the beginning of side 2. The point with the pencil, you see it at the end of side 2. And then I'm going to bring my compass, I'm going to center at the point that I drew earlier, and I'm just going to draw an arc. So your image should look like this. The second point of the triangle, anywhere on the arc, I'm just going to draw it like this. So I have 2 points of the triangle. The third point is a little bit tricky. First, I have to measure the length of side 1. So I'm going to put the non-pencil at the beginning of side 1 and the pencil part at the end of side 1. So it looks like this. I'm going to bring it to one of my points. It doesn't matter which one. I'll choose this one. And I'm going to draw an arc. I'm going to do the same thing to side 3. So the non-pencil at the beginning and then the pencil at the end of the side. And then I'm going to do an arc, but in this case from the other point. I see my intersection here. And then I'm just going to connect my three sides, right? I can easily just grab a ruler and connect my points. So there's one. This is technically side 1. When if I match them, this other point right here, if I connect these 2 points, remember I made this arc using side 3. So this is technically side 3. Now the bottom line, remember that was the biggest side, which is where we started, which technically this is side 2. So notice I use all 3 sides and there's my triangle. Now looking on the back side, I'm going to bisect an angle. So I'm going to cut the angle in half. It doesn't matter how big or little you open the compass. Just make sure that whenever you center at the vertex, the arc crosses the 2 sides of the triangle, of the angle, I mean. So I'm just going to cross it there and I'm going to cross it there. So you see my 2 intersections. If you go all the way through, it's fine. You just want to cross the 2 sides of the angle. Now, I'm not going to change the aperture of the compass. I'm just going to center at one of my intersections. And I'm going to make the arc kind of like where I expect the middle of the angle to be. I'm going to do the same thing from the other intersection. I'm going to make the arc where I expect the middle of the angle to be. Now, with my ruler, I'm going to connect the vertex with the intersection of the 2 arcs that I just made. Let me fix that a little bit better. So remember, I'm connecting the vertex of the angle with the intersections that I made. And that's basically crossing the angle, cutting the angle in half.